All right, I'm the Flatratemaster, and today we're talking about the Launch CR3008Plus. Now, I've talked about handhelds before. They're extremely useful for every tech. I always have one of these in my toolbox, usually a couple. One of the things I do a lot with them is verify repairs. Rather than pulling out a full-size scan tool to do a test drive to make sure it passes the emissions test, or whether it's for verifying a vehicle's fixed, I use these a ton. You know, for instance, going on a test drive, pushing the IM button and just sitting there and driving it until it passes the monitor you need it to pass, good to go. It's just one of those things that's a lot easier because most full-size scanners don't actually offer an easy way to check for emissions readiness. Now, one of the cool features about this particular tool is it allows you to graph PIDs. And what that allows you to do is, instead of having to bring along that big old huge scan tool, for a lot of technicians, they're using the shop scan tool that may not be available. Here, you can graph it and verify, for instance, a vacuum leak or a mass airflow sensor that's failed. So it's really a cool feature to allow you to verify that, well, the vehicle you're working on is now fixed. It's one of the reasons why I love these little handhelds is they're quick, cheap. You break it, you forget it in a car, it's not a huge deal. Whereas if you have to slam on the brakes and your $8,000 scan tool goes flying, been there, done that, by the way. It's a little scary. This goes flopping on the floor, ain't no big deal, But the graphing is a huge game changer for me. It allows me to not have to take a big, huge scan tool and, keep glancing down at it next to me. I can hold this up and watch the PIDs. So that is a huge game changer for me personally, is to be able to watch fuel trims while I'm driving, watch a mass airflow sensor while I'm driving, verifying my repair is actually repaired. Because that's what I use these for, is to verify repairs. It's a really nice feature. So hope you enjoyed this video. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flatratemaster.